You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. A bit of a confusing word, confusing spelling. The pronunciation is a little bit tricky as well. British English and American English pronunciations are slightly different, so let's go through the British English. UK pronunciation is as aerator. A-ray-ta. The stress goes on the first syllable. Aerator. In American English, it's normally pronounced as aerator. Aerator. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.